Okay. Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. Today we are going in no other than the Dollar Tree and we are going to do some coupon. And of course our budget is $5, and then we'll be picking up some stuff for a DIY because I will be starting my Halloween DIYs on the 1st. So come on, let's do some visuals and shop with me. Oh, look at these. Get some skulls. 2, 3, 4 skulls. Gotta go through my, and let's see. Oh, look at the cats. On 2 cats. Okay. Need a creepy cloth. I actually like the ghost, but I'm not gonna get any of those. I have a spider, so I'm fine with that. Let me see. This is a little witch hat. I need some bigger ones, but I'm gonna grab 2 of these for now. Hey guys, I bought this light up pumpkin. It didn't light up for long, so watch it. Okay, I need these bowls, but this is for a different project, but I'm gonna need those. So let me see. Oh, let me see what kind of these. And then they got some black purple balls. So I'll just put those there. And I'll grab a pack of these. Okay. And guys, they already starting to move their selection down somewhere else. So they getting clearing away for Christmas stuff already, okay? Already. They ain't wasting no time. None whatsoever. Oh, I need this. Of course I'm gonna need some of these. Yes. Okay guys, so we are getting the dove, and look at that, it's almost gone. I got 6 coupons left. I'm gonna get all 6 of them, and I'm gonna do separate transactions so it won't beat. See that, guys? And the other store I bought some swab conditioner, but this store it beeped when I tried to use it, so I'm not gonna try it again. Oh, no. Well, let me see, could I use the swab? I'm gonna try this. If it works, I'll let you guys know. Swab Minions shampoo. Okay, and then let's go this way. Just to get out of the crowd I'm trying to, because I'm going to collect all my stuff up now. Okay, so we're around here with all their freezers are in, guys. They new freezers are in. So let's see. Let's see what they got. Let's go this way first. Let's get our coupon and stuff out the way first. Okay, so you all know I've been using these, and I've been getting these for $1, right? So I'm going to grab some of these. I got tons of coupons left, but I'm pretty sure I'm about wiped out with just those. And there is the Barilla, but I don't know if it'll take it on that. So I'm gonna just grab 2 boxes and see if it'll work on that. And then here is the Goya tomato sauce. I remember I was looking for that. Oh my God, I love my subscribers because y'all sure told me where it was. There it is right there, but it's only 15 cents off. I'm not getting that. Now, I don't know if this coupon has been beeping in here. I'm going to try it. If it beep on one, I'm just going to put them all back, okay? So, be expecting for me to put those back if they beep. Now, here's the Goya beans, red beans, chickpeas, small peas. You get all of those. And remember, guys, we was in, if you look at my Walmart video, I had picked up beans, but I couldn't find nothing. But see, them beans, the bags is bigger here than they are at the other store. So just be careful of that and be mindful of that. Okay? Okay. Now, you see me coming over here, and this is why. That dollar coupon for General Mills is supposed to work on this stuff up in here. It says any, so let's try these and see. If so, that makes them free. Okay? Has to say General Mills. I'm getting ready to show you all the coupons now. So here are the coupons that work with these right here, okay? So I got 4 bags. I'm gonna probably do 2 transactions a piece just to make sure it don't beat too bad, okay? And then for the Barilla right here. Now if they know how to read the coupon, it says Barilla registered trademark, mean any Barilla. Then it says ready pasta because that's what they want you to get. So we're gonna get 4 boxes of these, but do 2 per transaction. Okay, and these are the coupons right here. It's a 1 swab men hair care product, excludes twin packs and travel. This should work on those coupons. It might be, but let's pray it don't. Let's try these. And these are the juices. We're gonna get, see how many, I got tons of coupons for the juices. Gonna do 2 of those. These are the juices. Make these a quarter a piece, and that's the coupon. Okay, so now let's look at the over here. Okay, let's see what they got. Oh, them little P3s, they do have those, huh? Okay. Lunchables. Let's see. Okay. I know I'm moving a little quick. I got people in back of me, so I'm sorry, guys. Oh, they got banquet Popeyes. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So let's go down this other aisle. And here is the Advil. So it says any Advil, so you can get these. So here you go. Any, oh wait, they do say respiratory, but we'll see if it works on there, okay? Oh look guys, they got Pro Style in here. What's this? Softy, the growth oil. They got that in here. Lustrous oil. No, it ain't pink oil. Y'all know that pink oil is the best one. That ain't it. Don't be getting that happy, but it might get up in here one day. You know, everything old is new again. So I'm looking for pool noodles, guys. I need the pool noodles and I can't find them. Let me see if anybody know where they're at. Up in here. Let me see. Pool noodles. Let me see how many Advil I got first. How many did I pull out of there? Because, let me see. That's cute. Okay, so I got some of these bowls right here that I'm going to use for Halloween. And then see these right here, guys. I know they don't look like Halloween, but they actually make good Halloween right here. So I'm gonna grab I want a black one. I don't see that one got something mixed in it, so I'm gonna grab one of these and one orange one for my DIY. Oh, look at that, it's mixed. Okay. Change probably could go good too, but I got some change, so I'm good with that one. Okay. Pool noodles, where are they? Okay guys, we are back at a Dollar Tree. This haul went great, but I did have some beeps, and the reason why I had beeps was because the guy wanted to go home, so he put everything in together and stuff started beeping, but I know him, so he went on ahead and did it. Before we get into this, guys, can you all please subscribe, hit like, and drop me a comment? Okay, drop me a comment, because I will be doing a 31-day Halloween DIY starting on Thursday. We grabbed some stuff today, but I will be grabbing stuff and I will be doing the videos and telling you exactly where I got them from. So let's go over the stuff real quick, because I don't want to make this a long video, okay? Suave Men Extra Fresh Shampoo. That coupon was for $1.50 off. Now, they're not going to give you overage. They'll bring it down to the $1. 2 went through, 2 beeped. He knew it. He put it through because he knew that he was putting too many coupons on there. But that's somebody that I always go to. A quarter a piece after the 75-cent coupon. I got 6 of these. Of course, you know these are a quarter a piece after the 75-cent coupon, and my kids already drunk them. So, now, no beeps. None. Okay? Those are those $1 off General Meal coupons. They work on any General Meal cereal, any. And I showed you all that in Walmart. So go watch that Walmart video. Barilla. Beeps. Barilla beeped in Walmart too also. So just go watch the video, guys. I think it's just a bad coupon. That's how I feel. But he put them through. So let's go over this. These was free. Beep on one. The first one went through. Don't ask me why. He just put that through. So free for 4 of these for free, 4 of these for free, and 2 of these for free. Okay. So 6 of these, that's $1.50. And 4 of these, $1.50. No, wait, $1.50, $2, $2.50. Now let me tell you, let's count it up. That's $2.50. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. I got 3 hats, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm missing some. 19, 20. It's 21. Anyway, it's 21 items. Just add up to 21. But it only added up to $21.50. So that tells me that when something beeped, he just went on ahead and he took it off of there and gave it to me anyway. So, you know, today was a great day for my coupon haul. So let's look and see what we did. And there it is, $21. I added $21.50, but $21 before taxes. So I don't know what he did, you know, what was different. And I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there's 3 hats there. It's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I don't know what he did. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit like and drop me a comment if you are enjoying these Dollar Tree videos. Bye.